So say you have something that you need to hand in to an instructor electronically, but the thing that you need to hand in is written on paper. So say, for example, you've got a lab notebook and you need to submit it to your lab instructor for grading, but they want you to submit an electronic copy. Alternately, maybe you've got a graph and some calculations, but it's the same thing. You want to submit an electronic copy, and what you've got is handwritten on paper. So how do you do this? Well, what you're going to need to do is either scan or photograph each page of your work, and then you want to put all of those images into one document. So you'll be handing in just one document to your instructor. If you're scanning pages, most scanning programs will give you the option to stitch multiple pages together into just one document. So explore your scanner program's options and figure out how to do that. Also, the photocopier machines in the KPU libraries have an option to scan multiple pages into one PDF that you can then email to yourself or save to a data stick. You can read more about how to do that at kpu.ca/it/printing. So again, the photocopier machines at the KPU libraries can scan images for you. Alternately, you might be taking photographs of each page with a digital camera, in which case you'd want to take a photo of each page and then paste those images into just one Word document that you can send to your instructor. I'll be showing you how to do that in a moment. Another common way to photograph your pages would be with a smartphone. Now, if you are using a smartphone, there is a program called Office Lens. It's a free app from Microsoft, and it works on both iPhones and Android devices. It allows you to take a bunch of photos with your smartphone, and then the program will stitch them all together into just one PDF for you. So one of my colleagues in the chemistry department, Jennifer Au, put together a short video showing how to use Office Lens. So I'll show you that now.
So first, you go to your smartphone. So I'm using an iPhone. So I would go to the App Store, and in the App Store, so under search for Office Lens. Select Office Lens, and it is this one at the top, Microsoft Office Lens. I've already downloaded this into my iPhone, but once you have searched it, if you have not yet downloaded this into your phone, it is actually a free app available from Microsoft for both the iPhone as well as for Android devices. You can open this app. The way it works is you'll see that there are three options on the bottom: whiteboard, document, and business card. You want to choose the center one, document. Once the red frame frames the edges of the paper, take the picture. This is the first page. Now you want to add the other pages of the exam. So on the lower left-hand corner, select Add New. So now turn to the next page. And then again, wait until the orange edges square on the paper, and then take the picture. And then this is done. So now I go to my next page and basically repeat this for all the pages. This is the last page. And now that I have scanned all 9 pages plus the front cover with my name on it, then I will select Done on the right hand side. And then now what you want to do is save to PDF. So select PDF and then save to OneDrive. Now when you select OneDrive, you will save to your OneDrive storage, and all KPU students have free 1 terabyte of storage space on OneDrive for Business. So I'm going to select OneDrive, and I have already logged into my OneDrive account. If you have not yet logged into your OneDrive account, then you ask to log in. So I think for the KPU students, you enter your KPU email address and also your KPU email password, and that will allow you to log into your OneDrive for Business account, which is free for all KPU students. If you have any questions about how logging into your OneDrive for Business account, go to the IT service desk. Okay, so you can see that now it has been saved to my OneDrive account. Now I will close, and next step is to log into Moodle. Okay, now I have logged into my Moodle account and select the Chemistry 1105 course, and then go into the midterm exam. So select the midterm exam assignment. Scroll down where it says Add Submission. So select the Add Submission button. Scroll down again, and then you will see under Files, so you want to select this icon. Next, select Choose File, and then you want to select Browse. And then on the left-hand corner, select Browse. Then select OneDrive. Now, sometimes you may not see OneDrive show up, particularly when you've only just logged into your OneDrive account for the first time. So what you may need to do is click on this icon, or there may be something where you can just add, because you've just added another drive. So I already have OneDrive there, so I select OneDrive. I go into Files, and then under File, Office Lens will automatically create a folder called Office Lens, and everything that you scan from Office Lens will be in that folder. So I go into that folder, and it will show all the files that I have scanned. This is the file that I scanned, corresponding to the time and date. So I will select this file, and then now select Upload this file, and then scroll down, Save Changes, and then next, after you've saved changes, you can check the submission status. You can see that it says submission status submitted for grading, so it's been submitted. But don't leave yet. What you want to do is you want to open that file that you have just submitted to ensure that it is scanned correctly and saved correctly.
So if you are using a smartphone, do consider using Office Lens. However, if you're using still images that you took using a digital camera, you'll need to paste those images into Microsoft Word and then submit that one file to your instructor. So I'll show you how to do that now. To paste your photographs into Word, first open up Word, and then open up the folder where you've got all your photographs. Click and drag the photo that you want to put on there first, and it'll appear in the document. Now if you need to rotate it, click on the page, and you'll notice at the top of the page there's now this Picture Tools tab. Click on that, and right here there's an icon that lets you rotate the picture. So I'll rotate it 90 degrees, and then I'll expand it to fill the page. It would be helpful if you did that too. And then if you click down here at the lower corner of the image, you can now insert the next picture. So again, I go to my folder that has the pictures, and then just click and drag the one I want here, and scroll down a little bit, and you'll see that it's now been inserted onto the next page. So again, click the image, click the Picture Tools tab, and then click Rotate. And then I'll stretch it out again, click on the lower corner, and drag my next image in. And again, it'll appear on the next page. So you just go through all of your images one by one and insert them each one on a page, rotated correctly and expanded, please, into the document. And when you're done, you save that document, and that's what you hand in to your lab instructor.